Today we have a 2011 Doosan Puma 400Mb. Machine has an 18-inch Kitagawa chuck, tailstock, chip conveyor, tool setter, has a full C-axis, and a FANUC Series I control. We're going to run it for you now. We're in low range at 100 RPM. 200. 300 and low. Machine has a 2-speed gearbox. We're switching over to high. .500 in high range. 750. 1,000, nice and quiet. Ball screws are quiet. Got a 12-position turret. Oh, we'll do C-axis first, okay. Full C-axis on the spindle. Now we'll run the live tool. .1,000 RPM. 2,000 RPM. All right, index the turret. The tooling mounted to the turret goes with the machine. We have 4 live tools. It's a tow-along. It's a tow-along tailstock. All right. There's a tool setter. Can't see it well, but all the lights, all the sensors light up. All right. Oh, we do tailstock quill? Right. And that's about it. You can inspect this machine under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.